Hey there, truck enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of classic pickups, and specifically, we're going to explore the reasons why the Toyota Stout is considered a small truck. The Toyota Stout, produced from 1954 to 1989, was a popular light-duty truck known for its compact size. There are several reasons why the Stout earned its reputation as a small truck, and we'll cover the main ones in this video. So, let's get started. Reason 1. Maneuverability in urban areas. One of the key advantages of the Toyota Stout's compact dimensions was its exceptional maneuverability in urban environments. With its smaller size and shorter wheelbase, the Stout could easily navigate through tight city streets, squeeze into narrow parking spots, and make sharp turns effortlessly. Whether you were navigating heavy traffic or searching for parking in crowded areas, the Stout's small size gave a distinct advantage over larger trucks. Its nimbleness and agility provided a level of convenience and ease of handling that made it a preferred choice for urban dwellers. Reason 2. Fuel efficiency. The Toyota Stout's small size contributed to its impressive fuel efficiency. With its reduced weight and streamlined design, the Stout consumed less fuel compared to larger trucks. Its smaller frontal area minimized air resistance, resulting in improved aerodynamics. As a result, the Stout offered better fuel economy, making it an economical option for both daily commuting and long-distance trips. Owners enjoyed the benefits of a capable truck while saving money at the pump. Reason 3. Versatility in everyday hauling despite being a small truck. The Toyota Stout offered surprising versatility in everyday hauling tasks. While it may not have matched the towing capacity or cargo volume of larger trucks, the Stout proved to be agile and practical. It excelled at transporting construction materials for dye projects, hauling furniture from stores, or loading up camping gear for outdoor adventures. The compact size of the Stout allowed it to maneuver through tight spaces, making it a reliable workhorse for a variety of tasks. Its versatility made it a preferred choice for individuals seeking a capable truck that could handle a wide range of hauling needs. Reason 4. Easy parking and maneuvering. The compact size of the Toyota Stout made parking and maneuvering a breeze in various situations. Whether parallel parking on busy city streets or navigating through crowded parking lots, the Stout's small dimensions allowed for easy maneuvering and fitting into tight spaces. This convenience was especially valuable in urban areas where parking spots can be scarce and navigating through congested areas can be challenging. The Stout's small size gave drivers the flexibility and confidence to park and maneuver efficiently, saving time and reducing stress. Reason 5. Accessibility to narrow roads. The Toyota Stout's small size gave it a distinct advantage when it came to accessing narrow roads. Whether driving through winding country lanes or exploring off-road trails with limited clearance, the compact dimensions of the Stout allowed it to navigate these challenging terrains with ease. Its smaller size meant it could fit through narrower gaps and maneuver around tight corners, providing drivers with the freedom to explore remote areas without the limitations faced by larger trucks. The Stout's accessibility to narrow roads made it an ideal choice for those seeking adventure and exploration off the beaten path. Reason 6. Affordability. In addition to its practical advantages, the Toyota Stout's small size also brought affordability to the table. Compared to larger trucks, the Stout had a lower price tag, making it accessible to a broader range of buyers. Its smaller size and simpler construction contributed to its affordability without compromising on quality or reliability. The Stout offered an attractive option for individuals looking for a dependable work truck within their budget. Its affordability allowed more people to enjoy the benefits of a capable truck without the higher price. Associated with larger models. Reason 7. Enhanced off-roading capability. Don't let its size fool you. The Toyota Stout's small stature gave it an advantage in off-roading situations. Its compact dimensions allowed for better maneuverability on rugged terrain and narrow trails. With its smaller size, the Stout could easily navigate through tight spots, squeeze between rocks, and traverse uneven surfaces with relative ease. This made it a popular choice for outdoor enthusiasts and off-road adventurers who wanted a capable vehicle that could conquer challenging terrain. The Stout's off-roading capabilities, combined with its durability and reliability, made it a trusted companion for those seeking thrilling outdoor experiences. Reason 8. Cost-effective maintenance. Another advantage of the Toyota Stout's small size was its cost-effective maintenance. With fewer components and a simpler design, the Stout required less maintenance compared to larger trucks. This meant fewer parts to replace and potentially lower repair costs. Additionally, its smaller engine size often translated to reduced maintenance expenses such as oil changes and tune-ups. The Stout's efficient design and straightforward mechanics made it a practical choice for individuals looking to minimize maintenance expenses while still enjoying the benefits of owning a reliable truck. And there you have it. The Toyota Stout's small size brought numerous advantages, including exceptional maneuverability in urban areas, impressive fuel efficiency, surprising versatility in everyday hauling tasks, easy parking and maneuvering, accessibility to narrow roads, affordability, enhanced off-roading capability, and cost-effective maintenance. These reasons, among others, contributed to the Stout's popularity and its enduring reputation as a beloved small truck. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the Toyota Stout's advantages. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.